I walked into this entry and I immediately knew how I wanted to look like. I literally could see the space in my head. One fact about me is I listen to my client carefully, and listening to their like and dislike in general guide me through my concept. This client of mine loves birds. That was how everything started. I become inspired by murmuration of starling flocks. Their movement, swirling, twisting, it is so romantic and graceful, and I wanted to bring that feeling into my space. I have designed new curved stairs with custom metal railing. On the tread, I decided to use solid maple wood with custom dark stain. And underneath of each thread, I've designed groove with LED strip light underneath. Under riser, I used marble, and I love the impact of the light on the marble and the reflection that creates. Creating a focal point in the entry was so important for me. There was nowhere to install the chandelier I chose. The ceiling of the entry is all skylight. So we have designed a beam that goes across and carries a lot of weight, and structurally we made it secure into the ceiling to be able to carry the weight of the chandelier. This gorgeous chandelier is from Corbett Lighting, and it has a lot of movement, and that's what I was after. I needed to create a base for my chandelier, so I've designed this medallion. I used 4 different colors of natural stone in this design, and I made the size to be bigger than the chandelier, but not too big to take away from the entry. So when you walk in, your eyes drawn to the floor first, and then moves up toward the stairs, and then you can see the chandelier. When you go up the stairs, there's a hallway, and it was a boring hallway. I wanted to be very dramatic. I designed a glass structure with LED built in, and that went on the floor, and trust me, that was a lot of work to make it right. Custom laser cut panels got installed on each side of this floor feature. And the patterns in this panels shows the murmuring movement. I use color LED behind the panels so the client can change the color of the space and change the mood of the space. But personally, I do like the blues, and that mimics the sky color as a background, and I really do like it. I think design is a vision and thinking, and I love it when I see my design come alive. Let me know your comments, let me know if you like it. And to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.